Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng opinion, reaction itong Facebook reel posted by Billionaire News. Title, Amy, meaning si Amy Marcos, Amy has no presidential security detail. Bakit? Rear Admiral Androbal Abayon, Chief of the Presidential Security Command, told the Commission on Appointments that the military unit tasked with securing the immediate family of the sitting president has not deployed personnel for Senator Amy Marcos. During his confirmation on Commission Appointments hearing on Wednesday, Abayon said he would coordinate with President Ferdinand Marcos Jr.'s elder sister regarding their security arrangement. The senator has been adds with the president whom she had accused. Okay. Ang mandate ng Presidential Security Command is to secure the first family kasama ang presidential siblings o kapatid. Tatlo man silang magkakapatid. So, inamin ng Presidential Security Commander na si Irene Marcos merong security detail. Pagdating kay Amy Marcos, wala. Anong rason? Bakit wala? May nag-utos ba na huwag niyong bigyan ng security? Pakinggan natin itong hearing sa confirmation on appointments.
Strada, after
I just find that,
Honorable Lacson,
yeah,
yes.
follow up lang. You are tasked to secure the first family, di ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Define first family. Immediate family, even extended family, like, no, not other families, but, which brings me to my next question. Are you also securing the president's siblings?
Yes po, Your Honor.
So, meron kayo naka-assign kay Miss Irene.
Yes po, Your Honor.
May naka-assign din kayo kay Senator Ivy.
Wala na.
Your
Nabuking.
Honor,
Next question is explain why. Or why not?
Your Honor, I can say this out in the open. When I arrived po, third month ko na ngayon, ma'am. Tinanong ko po kung
You are
mayroon...
chairman, not
Yes,
Senator
yes
Ivy.
po. Yes po. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, when I arrived 3 months ago, last week of November, I diagnosed the command and I studied the security plans and the close-in protection system of the PSC. And when I checked all the personnel assigned, nakita ko po that there was no personnel assigned to our
So, what do you intend to do about it? Now that you're the head of the PSG.
Your Honor, it is mandated for us to
Yan.
protect the siblings and
Yun pala
I
eh.
will talk to the good senator
Lo.
for the preservation of his security.
It's a basic function, basic tasking, basic duty of the PSG to secure the siblings. It is up to the presidential sister, in this case, Senator Marcos, if she needs security or not. Because if something happens to her, it's your responsibility, di ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
So how do you intend to go about it now?
I will prepare security teams for honor for our good senator.
So even if she refuses, you will assign a contingent to secure her.
That's the mandate, Your Honor.
Tama yung sagot mo. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. But if, Mr. Chair, short question.
Honorable Strada.
What if the President does not allow it?
Hala. Ang galing. Ayaw ng Pangulo.
That is the next way forward, Your Honor. That's the next step to...
Excuse me?
Your Honor, that's the...
I'll posit an answer. I'll cross the bridge when I get there.
Mr. Your Honor, I will cross the bridge when I get there.
Wala.
Okay, that's it.
Thank you, Honorable Estrada. There are no more questions or queries from the members.
Sa gitna ng
Task to secure it.
So ang tanong, sino ang nag-utos? Sobra 3 taon na ang Marcos Jr. presidency. Mulat sa pool ba, wala nang security detail si Senator Amy. Sino ang nag-utos? Ang Pangulo ba ang nagsabi na wag niyong bigyan ng security detail yan? Si Pangulo ba o may iba? I don't know. Nagtatanong lang naman eh. Ito naman si Senator Amy. Sana nagsalita si Senator Amy doon, ano? Tinanong, I'm sorry, Senator Lacson, sabi niya, thank you for your concern. Binigyan ako ng security nun, ba't ako ang tumanggi? Baka pwedeng ganun ba? Ano sa tingin nyo? Mulat sa poll, hindi binigyan. At ang rason, bakit hindi binigyan? Dahil wala na. Magkaaway na talaga silang dalawa. Nakakalungkot, ano? Sana walang mangyari sa ating Manang Amy. I think hindi, baka kung may security man siya on her own. Kasi pwede man silang magbayad, mag-hire ng private security agency. Maalala ko si BP Sara noon nung tinatanggalan siya ng mga trusted na security detail. Tapos bibigyan siya ng panibago na hindi siya trusted. Hindi niya tinanggap. Sabi niya, mag-hire na lang kami ng private security agency. So baka ganon ang kay Senator Amy na kung mayroong security detail siya, isa na lang ang nagbabayad. Ang kanyang opisina, of course. So,